Guys, another tutorial, another song. So, mula kay Cean Jr. Ewan ko kung tama bang pronunciation, no? Ang title ng kanta ay YK. So, simple version na ituturo ko sa inyo, no? Strumming version. Two parts lang ito, guys. Madali lang ito i-play. Two parts lang, madali lang sundan. Intro versus chorus, pero ang mga chords na ginamit. Ang second part ay sa bridge part. So, strumming version, start na tayo. So first part, pakita ko muna mga chords, 4 chords lang, no? So yung part na, so mga chords na ginamit ay B, then F sharp, so B, 7th fret, then F sharp, and then third chord ay dito sa 6th fret, 6th fret, okay? Then gaya ng B minor, okay? Gaya ng B minor yan sa 6, and then C sharp, okay, 4th fret. Then the string pattern naman ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Play natin, ha, sabayan natin, intro, then down, up, down, okay, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, okay, down, up, down, up. So sabayin nyo lang, down, up, down, up, down, okay. So and then pasok ang verse. So repeat lang yan hanggang chorus, and then diretso tayo ng second part para sa bridge part, mag-ibang chords. So pagkatapos ng second chorus, pakita ko ng chords, 4 chords pa rin sa bridge part, 2 times 2. Then eto mga chords, lately I'm gonna sleep. So this time ay G sharp minor 4th fret. So 4th fret yan, gaya ng F sharp minor sa 4th fret, okay? Then second chord ay move tayo, dito natin kukunin, B flat minor sa 1st fret, okay, G sharp minor, maybe I don't sleep, and then third chord yun pa rin, third chord, E flat minor, and then C sharp, so twice to, play natin, ha, tapos ng second chorus, bridge part, bridge, maybe I don't sleep. Repeat lang. Okay, yun pa rin ng string pattern. Then repeat lang yung mga chords na ginamit. So yan na guys, 2 parts lang para sa intro versus chorus, and then sa bridge part, no? Madali lang sundan, strumming version na ito at simple version na. At request kayo, no, kung meron kayong mga bagong kanta na alam, at tingnan natin kung kaya natin gawa ng tutorial. Comment lang kayo, try natin gawa ng dito man tutorial guys. See you sa mga next na uploads. Bye bye.